Many people have an inner critic in their heads that judges them, doubts them, belittles them, and that is always telling them that they are not good enough. The difference between successful people and everyone else is that successful people have learned to ignore this inner critic and eliminate negative self talk. They understand that everything they say to themselves matters. Your inner critic stops you from pursuing the life you truly want to live. Here are some steps you can follow to stop the negative self talk. Step 1. Recognize the critic. You have to become aware of your inner critic if you want to be able to gain control over it. See, much of our thinking happens automatically and so quickly that we barely notice it. This means that you have to make the conscious effort to slow down and pay attention to what you're thinking. This will help you notice when the critic is present. Step 2. Separate yourself from the critic. Your inner critic thrives best when you mistake it for being a part of your authentic self. To separate yourself from the critic, you need to give it a name. You can give it any name you want. The important thing is that by separating it from your own identity, you are essentially freeing yourself from its influence. Step 3. Talk back to the critic. The only way to take away your inner critic's power is by talking back to it. You merely have to tell it that you don't want to hear what it is saying. Speaking back to the critic begins to give you the sense that you have a choice in the matter. When the critic starts to talk, tell it to go away and that you refuse to listen. Step 4. Replace the critic. The best way to defeat the critic once and for all is to have an even stronger ally on your side. Nature abhors a vacuum, so you need to work on growing an inner voice that acts like your best friend rather than your enemy. To do this, you need to begin seeing all the good things about yourself. You have to acknowledge that you do have positive traits and that you can accomplish anything. To break the cycle of negative self-talk, you have to make a conscious effort to recognize your inner critic and change the way you interact with it. By eliminating negative self-talk from your life, you will start to see a dramatic shift in your mindset and be able to find success in everything that you do. I hope that was useful. Have a very nice day.